One SUV on this list can hit 300,000 miles with no major repairs, and it's not the brand you'd expect. Most drivers don't find out what's truly reliable until it's too late. So here are 6 SUVs for 2025 that mechanics trust, dealers recommend, and owners refuse to trade in. And the last one might be the most reliable SUV of the decade. Number 6. 2025 Honda CR-V. You know how some cars just vanish from your radar once they're sold? That's the CR-V. When someone buys one, you don't hear from them again. Not because they're disappointed, but because nothing ever goes wrong. This 2025 model tightens up everything that's made the CR-V a quiet legend. The chassis is stronger, the handling is sharper, and it still uses that trusty 1.5-liter turbo engine, delivering a dependable 190 horsepower. But the real standout is the hybrid version. With 204 horsepower, it delivers power with silky smooth precision and fuel efficiency that has saved my clients thousands over the years. There's no lag, no awkward transitions, just seamless acceleration every time you step on the gas. I've personally seen these hit over 90,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes. And when you sit inside one, it still feels like new. Everything is designed with intention, real knobs, straightforward controls, and no over-engineered distractions. Honda's sensing suite comes standard as well, giving you adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and lane-keeping assistance that actually works without becoming a nuisance. And if you're into the stats, J.D. Power rated it 85 out of 100 for quality and reliability, and Consumer Reports projects above average dependability based on long-term ownership data. But stats aside, here's what really matters. No one I've ever sold a CR-V to has come back with regrets. And in this business, that says everything. Number 5. 2025 Acura MDX. Ever wonder how long a luxury SUV will last after the warranty runs out? That's why the 2025 Acura MDX stands out. It's built to impress and built to last. Owners regularly keep these for over a decade, often with minimal repairs. It runs on a proven 3.5-liter V6, smooth, responsive, and one of the most low-maintenance engines in its class. Paired with Acura's refined 10-speed automatic, shifts are seamless. No gear hunting, no hesitation. But the real strength of the MDX is how everything just works. The infotainment system stays responsive. Driver assistance features don't glitch. Acura's ELS Studio Audio, digital gauge cluster, and touchpad interface are all well executed, modern but easy to use. Inside, it's tasteful and durable. Real materials, a clean layout, and nothing flimsy or overstyled. Acura Watch safety tech comes standard. Adaptive cruise, collision mitigation, lane keeping, and more, all integrated smoothly, without false alerts or annoying beeps. Consumer Reports and J.D. Power consistently rank the MDX near the top for long-term quality and owner satisfaction. But more importantly, MDX owners rarely deal with unexpected issues or regret. This is luxury you can count on for the long run. Number 4. 2025 Mazda CX-5. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 stands out in the compact SUV segment for its refined driving dynamics, high build quality, and long-term durability. It delivers a driving experience more commonly associated with luxury crossovers while maintaining a price point below $35,000. Powertrain options include a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine known for its smooth operation and reliability, as well as a turbocharged version producing up to 256 horsepower and 320 pound-foot of torque on premium fuel. The responsive throttle and precise steering contribute to a composed, agile feel on the road. Inside, the CX-5 emphasizes quality and ergonomics. Even mid-level trims feature soft touch materials, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and Mazda's 10.25-inch infotainment system operated via a rotary dial. Designed for simplicity and minimal distraction. Safety is another strong point. The standard iActive Sense suite includes blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, with systems engineered to support the driver without excessive intervention. While not the flashiest SUV in its class, the CX-5 is frequently cited for combining upscale refinement, strong reliability ratings, and long-term owner satisfaction, making it one of the most well-rounded options in the segment. Number 3. 2025 Toyota 4Runner. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner enters a new generation while preserving the durability and off-road focus that built its reputation. It continues with a true body-on-frame construction, an increasingly rare trait in today's SUV landscape, and now features Toyota's newer 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, replacing the long-running 4.0-liter V6. This updated powertrain delivers improved torque and efficiency while maintaining the rugged performance expected from the 4Runner. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the setup is designed to handle both daily use and harsh off-road conditions. Known for their exceptional longevity, previous generations of the 4Runner commonly surpassed 250,000 miles with minimal issues, making it a go-to choice for buyers who prioritize long-term reliability and low maintenance. The cabin retains a practical, no-nonsense layout with large physical controls, durable materials, and modern safety tech. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and pre-collision braking. While it avoids many of today's flashy features, the 2025 4Runner remains a stronghold for those seeking proven dependability, resale strength, and go-anywhere capability in a rapidly changing SUV market. Number 2. 2025 Toyota RAV4. If there's one SUV that just won't quit, it's the Toyota RAV4. I've seen them push past 250,000 miles. Still smooth, still reliable, still drama-free. The 2025 model keeps that legacy going strong. Under the hood is a proven 2.5-liter engine mated to an 8-speed automatic that shifts cleanly and handles traffic or trails without breaking a sweat. The real standout, the hybrid. With 219 horsepower and Toyota's ultra-refined hybrid system, it delivers seamless performance, impressive efficiency, and legendary reliability. No lag, no fuss, just years of dependable driving with lower fuel and maintenance costs. It rides on Toyota's TNGA-K platform, giving it a stable, composed feel whether you're off-road or on the daily commute. Inside, the cabin is built for real life. Tough materials, intuitive controls, and a layout that still feels solid years down the road. This isn't an SUV built to impress in the showroom, it's built to last in the real world. And that durability pays off with lower insurance, higher resale, and fewer surprises over time. People don't buy the RAV4 for flash, they buy it because it works, and keeps working year after year. Number 1. 2025 Subaru Forester. When it comes to a vehicle that can handle snow, trails, and keep going strong a decade from now, few match the reputation of the Subaru Forester. The 2025 model stays true to the formula that's earned it a loyal following. At its heart is Subaru's 2.5-liter flat-4 boxer engine, mounted low for better stability and reduced body roll. These engines are known to surpass 200,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. Paired with Subaru's Lineartronic CVT, power delivery remains smooth and predictable. But the standout feature is Subaru's full-time symmetrical all-wheel drive. There's no guessing or switching modes. It's always on. Always ready for snow, rain, gravel, or mud. It's one of the most proven all-wheel drive systems on the market today. Inside, the Forester prioritizes practicality. Large windows for excellent visibility, physical buttons for key functions, and a simple infotainment system that avoids unnecessary complexity. Standard safety is another strength. Subaru's EyeSight suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and pre-collision braking, all designed to operate quietly in the background while helping reduce risk and lower insurance costs. The 2025 Forester is built for drivers who want long-term dependability without the fuss. Off-road capable, city-ready, and engineered to last. In a market full of rapidly changing tech, it's the kind of reliability that stands the test of time.